Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we're making a smoothie. It's a banana and peanut butter smoothie. We're only gonna need 3 bananas, vanilla essence, cinnamon, just because I love cinnamon, guys, honey, peanut butter, natural peanut butter. Even if it's not natural peanut butter, any peanut butter of your choice, and full cream milk. If it's low cream, if it's low fat, guys, then it's fine. If that's what you prefer, guys, I'm just gonna peel my bananas and just throw it in the blender in no particular order. Just throw everything in there. Guys, if you like it cold, you can just peel your bananas and just freeze them. It's better that way. Like it's much better. It's just that today it's cold, so I didn't want a cold smoothie. But if it's cold, it's much better. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, just because I love cinnamon, guys. If you don't like it, then no need to it doesn't do much actually. If you don't like it, you can just leave it. I put it because I like it. Just 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a corner, you can leave vanilla essence. Just leave it if you don't like it. The star of this show is banana and peanut butter. We have those things: banana, peanut butter, and full cream milk, or milk, any milk of your choice. You're good to go. And then I'm gonna add. I added 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then my fresh milk. You can add as much as you like. And 3 drops of honey, because I like it a bit sweet, not too much, but I like it sweet. And continue blending until it's smooth. Okay, now we're done. My smoothie is ready. And guys, I just decided to slice just 2 slices of banana and ngawafaka lapha guys for presentation, because as you know, we eat with our eyes first, just for presentation, guys. Just a bit of honey, guys. Honey is nice, guys. I like honey, you know, just for presentation. and for taste. So nice, looking so good, guys. Try this recipe please, and just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. It's very nice, and it's so filling, you guys. It's so filling. My kids love this. Like, yeah. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, please support me, support this channel. Let's grow this channel. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next one. Love you.